In 1675, Kashmiri Pandits came to Guru Tegh Bahadur and Guru Gobind Singh said that your head has to be martyred in order for religious freedom to win. So his head was martyred on November 1675 at Seesganj Gurdwara, and his body was cremated at this place in Raisana Hill, which is today the Rakabganj Sahib Gurdwara, by Lakhi Shah Banjara and his brother. Now, this is nestled just in the middle of the Parliament House and the Central Secretariat, and this building at the entrance is on Pandit Pant Marg. And as you go inside, you see this very nice building with a very good entranceway which directly points to the building, which is built at an elevation. This building's very good landscape around it. It's the main building of Gurdwara Rakabganj Sahib, which at an elevation looks very iconic with a khanda and Nishan Sahib. You can see the words inscribed on the Gurudwara, that is Tegh Bahadur Simriye Kagnonid Avetai. And in this particular building, you see that there's a very nice silver gate entrance, and you can see it's pure white marble with a Nishan Sahib, which is a flag of the Sikhs. And you can see how people have respect for the Nishan Sahib, and is built at a pedestal where people have to be given access, and very nice chhatris on all the four sides. This is Rajputana style architecture with a lot of Islamic touch to it, Indo-Islamic architecture kind of, which has now become the Sikh architecture with very nice balconies, chhatris. On the inside there is this palanquin or the palki where Guru Granth Sahib is seated, and Kirtan goes on the whole time the Gurdwara is open, which is from early morning to late night. And you can see that very nice inlay work has been done, and the palki is always covered with this cloth called chandua, and you can see people bow down and worship to the palanquin which houses Guru Granth Sahib, the living Guru of the Sikhs. You can see the Kirtan is going on. It's Indian classical music with Sikh rags. It's a tabla player and harmonium player, and it's mostly done in rags. This is the Hukamnama, that's the page, important message from Guru Granth Sahib that is given every single day. This is the temporary arrangement as the construction work is going on for prasad and the deposit of the shoes. This is the water palki where people are served water, any passerby or people who come to visit the Gurdwara. A very big langar hall is there as it hosts important Sikh functions. There's a Gurmat Vidyalaya to teach Gurmat, and there is important buildings like the printing press where Guru Granth Sahib printing is done. Very nice new building that has come up in this area. Very nice entranceway. That was Gurdwara Rakabganj Sahib for you. I hope you really liked it.